Welcome to Thoughts on the Market. I'm Michael Zezas, Head of Public Policy Research and Municipal Strategy for Morgan Stanley. Along with my colleagues bringing you a variety of perspectives, I'll be talking about the intersection between U.S. public policy and financial markets. It's Wednesday, July 14th at 10:30 a.m. in New York. This week, talks continue in D.C. on infrastructure and broader fiscal policy, and bond investors should be paying close attention. After a substantial recent decline in Treasury yields, our rate strategy team thinks a major fiscal package isn't in the price, and that progress towards a substantial pickup in approved government spending could push yields higher. In particular, bond investors should be attuned to the Democrats' deliberations on budget reconciliation. Remember, Democratic leadership in Congress is committed to not moving the smaller $600 billion bipartisan infrastructure bill without the larger reconciliation-driven infrastructure package. And last night, the Democrats announced the size of their reconciliation bill, $3.5 trillion. That means the U.S. is gearing up to approve $4 trillion in new spending over the next 10 years, matching our base case. In our view, this would translate to about $250 to $500 billion in federal budget deficit expansion next year. Our estimates based on the assumption that Congress may only be able to agree to about $2 trillion in new revenues to offset the planned spending. That would mean that the U.S., after several rounds of fiscal expansion in response to COVID, would effectively be embarking on another round of fiscal expansion next year. That should have a positive impact on GDP growth and a positive impact on Treasury bond supply. In short, it should push bond yields higher. This is a key reason our colleagues are now suggesting that bond investors would be wise, in the near term, to focus on shorter maturities in their bond portfolios and rebalance towards longer maturities once Treasury yields get closer to our year-end targets. Thanks for listening. If you enjoy the show, please share Thoughts on the Market with a friend or colleague, or leave us a review on Apple Podcasts. It helps more people find the show.
The preceding content is informational only and based on information available when created. It is not an offer or a solicitation, nor is it tax or legal advice. It does not consider your financial circumstances and objectives and may not be suitable for you.